Okay, Ashlyn's going to demonstrate how to get into a bear box if a bear comes up behind you or from the side when you are camping. Here's the bear box that she's going to get into. As you can see, I'll show you. It is locked. See? Okay, you can't get into it because it's latched. Okay, Ashlyn, let's pretend that there's a bear coming in right there. What are you gonna do? Slowly back away. She's gonna unlock the bear box. She's going to get in. You have to pull up from the top of the bear box. There's a little ridge right there. There she goes. Now she's locked in, and I'll show you. Hold on, Ash. She locked herself in. Can't get in, see? Okay, Ashlyn. And there you have it. You can open it. You can stay inside. You can fit several people in one of these boxes. And then there's a little glow-in-the-dark arrow right there that controls this mechanism. So you just push down on this arrow and it takes that down for you. So if you are here at the picnic table eating, or you are here making s'mores or making dinner, and a bear comes from that hillside or from those woods or over there, you can get into a bear box safely